So, may new update dito. Ito yung new update. Pero ginalaw-galaw ko bago mag-video. Itong babae, sinuot niya yung panda. Alisin ko dapat yan eh. Hindi ko maalis. Naglalaro ako dito. Yeah. Ito nalaman ko na kung ano ito. Pero nakalimutan ko. Wait a minute. Galing ko dito sa lalay. Stop na po. Santo ka. Yun lang. Uy! Yan. So muna, mama, I come from his house. Hindi ko na alam ano bang content. Wala ako maisip. Ito, hindi ko pa alam kung ginawa ko ba yun. Gawa ko na tayo. Pero hindi ko alam kung post ko ba. Ito hindi niya kailangan ko. Tayong parang iban. Ayun na guys. Wait. Gusto ko ba yun? Hindi ko yun. Hindi ko ata yung kaya. Hindi. Three little pieces. Paano ba may bahay nun? Kaya 3 little pieces na lang. Nangyari ito. Okay. 3 little pieces. Kay Lay yung sticks. Kay Hershey. Kay Lay yung Hazel at kay Hershey stick at kay Mama yung breast. Yan. Okay. Wala akong mahanap na yung uno. Pero, pwede ko rin siya gawin na ako ini. Wait lang. Sabay natin sila. Pink. Wait! Mas parang pinky light lang. Ay, nasa burn. Wait, ito ba? Ito ba? Hindi. Change ko din. Wala akong mahanap na nosa. Yan ang natin kung meron po. I-fix ko din naman ito. Yes, hat. Wala. bahay dito. Okay. Wait lang, gawin na lang natin bahay. Yeah! Hindi ko kaya. Pretend lang. Kunyari, itong bahay made of wood, at ito made of stick, at ito made of bricks. Okay, let me go to my house. Na, sino yung wolf? Ah, ito pala. May wolf pa dito ng pagkat. Wala. Wala. Sige, wala. Ano ang tawag? Saka loading ko ang tawag. Dreams and peaks. Three little piggies. Wala ko ang sinabi.
Three little piggies.
Huh? Ito.
Hey Lizzie! But the first day, three little pigs went out one day. One built a house made out of hay. The other pigs thought it would fall, 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 but the first didn't care at all. Three little pigs went out one day, for the third was incredibly hungry and mad. The three little pigs saw the wolf that day. They slammed their doors and hid away.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow, blow, blow.
Ay, batik, stop! Wait, hindi na Roblox. Hindi Roblox. Okay. Wait, three little pigs. Ayan, nakapinay-puff. Nakalimutan ko na. Practicing ko nga muna. Kanyari nasa bahay mo na sir. Three. Let me in ba? And I huff, and I puff, and I blow your house.
And I'll huff, and I'll puff, and I'll blow.
He knew the house would fall, 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 so the work didn't bother him at all. The pigs saw the wolf that day. They slammed their doors and hid away.
Little pig, let me in.
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
Little pig, let me in. Not by my hair on my chinny chin chin. Little pig, let me in. Not by
Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin.
And I'll
not of my hair on my chinny chin chin. And a hop and a puff. Little pig, let me in. Not by my hair on my chinny chin chin. And a hop and a puff and blow your house. Kunyari na blow. Ah! Hey, let me in! Okay. Little pig, let me in. Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin. Then a huff, then a puff, and blow your house. Wow! Let me in! Let me in! Okay. Pero kanyari na ko ba? Sa kanyari margin ko. Kanyari ko. Yeah. Slam my door. And a puff. Little pig, let me in. Not by the hair of my, not by my hair of my chin, chin, chin. Then a huff and a puff and blow your house. Come on. Yeah, wait lang guys. Ulit. Then a huff and a puff and blow your house. He didn't blow it. Yeah, I told you guys it would work. And a huff and a puff and blow your house. What do I do? Now I gotta think faster. Let's climb up there. Okay, kunyari ito daw. Ooh. At kunyari daw dito sa house. Ayan, nilangyan ng fire. And 3 little pigs live happily ever after. The end. Okay, ayun na yung video. Ayusin ko na lang ito. Dog. Not bad. My chin, chin, chin. Okay, thank you guys. Need some rest. Oh my god. Bro, kaganina, alis na alis itong damit mo. Bakit ngayon na yung alisin? Sige, bahala ka dun ah. Ito, sa dito na lang. Magkaganyan. Tulog siya. Bahala ka dun. Just kidding. Ikaw din. Tulog ka na.
Sabi ko, huwag mong dadaganan ng kuryente.
Ay, ano ba yung curtain?
Ayan, o, yung wire.
Okay. Okay, nakayusin na natin sila. Okay. Ooh, I'm actually black. Is that black? Yeah. Just kidding. Huh? Huh?
Ito ni Papa.
Ano ka, sir? So, ayan yung end ng Little Piggies. At ang tagal. Pero, ayan na, inaalis ko na sila. Yan. Okay. Sali naman natin ito si baby. Hindi pa yan naborn si baby. Pero, I don't care. Ay! Paling yan. Yan. Yeah, yeah. And that's the end of the 3 little piggies. Bye-bye.